AI versus human. 5 jobs that won't exist by 2028. What if I told you that one of the safest office jobs in the world is already disappearing? Not because of a recession, not because companies are hiring overseas, but because software has quietly become better than junior employees. For years, experts warned that AI would replace factory workers first. Instead, the opposite happened. Today, AI is replacing lawyers before construction workers, software engineers before electricians, customer support before nurses. And unlike previous technology revolutions, this one isn't just helping humans. It's replacing them. The shocking part? This isn't speculation anymore. It's already happening. Today, we'll examine 5 jobs that data suggests may largely disappear by 2028, not because humans suddenly became unnecessary, but because AI became cheaper, faster, and available 24 hours a day. Let's look at what the evidence actually shows. Job number 5, junior customer support. 20 years ago, every growing company hired call center agents. 10 years ago, companies outsourced them. Today, they're hiring AI. Modern AI customer agents don't simply answer FAQs anymore. They understand context. They remember previous conversations. They search company databases instantly. They can even speak naturally over the phone. Companies like Intercom, Zendesk, Salesforce, and OpenAI-powered support systems now resolve thousands of customer requests without human intervention. The biggest change isn't accuracy. It's economics. A human support agent works 8 hours, needs training, needs vacation, needs management. AI works every second of every day, never gets tired, never forgets company policies, never has a bad day. Many companies now report that AI resolves 60 to 90% of first-line customer requests before a human ever gets involved. That means businesses simply don't need nearly as many entry-level support employees anymore. Human agents won't disappear completely, but routine customer support almost certainly will. Human versus AI. Human. Empathy. Complex negotiations. Angry customer escalation. AI. Instant answers. Infinite scalability. Zero waiting time. Winner? Routine support. AI. Job number 4, junior software developers. This one surprises almost everyone. For years, people believed programmers were building AI. So surely programmers would be the last to lose jobs. Instead, AI became one of the best programmers in history. GitHub Copilot changed coding. Then Claude. Then GPT. Now, entire AI software engineers are emerging. One of the biggest names making headlines is Devin. Unlike a chatbot that writes snippets of code, Devin can receive an assignment, plan it, write code, debug it, run tests, deploy software, and even fix bugs later. Companies are beginning to treat AI as a junior developer that never sleeps. Instead of hiring 5 junior programmers, a company may hire 1 senior engineer supervising several AI systems. This doesn't eliminate software engineering. It changes who gets hired. Senior architects become more valuable. Entry-level coding positions become dramatically fewer. That's exactly what many hiring managers are beginning to report. Human versus AI. Junior developer. Learns slowly. Needs supervision. Writes limited code. AI developer. Writes code instantly. Never forgets documentation. Works continuously. The entry-level coding ladder is getting shorter every year. Job number 2, data entry and administrative assistance. This job has been shrinking for years. AI is accelerating that trend dramatically. Invoices, expense reports, email sorting, meeting scheduling, calendar management, spreadsheet updates, document classification, receipt scanning, OCR systems, voice transcription, AI agents, workflow automation. Together, they remove hundreds of repetitive office tasks. Today's AI doesn't just recognize text. It understands documents. It extracts information, moves data between systems, schedules meetings, generates reports, and follows company rules automatically. The modern office increasingly resembles a control room. One employee oversees dozens of automated workflows instead of manually performing each task. Companies aren't asking, "Can AI do this?" They're asking, "Why are humans still doing this?" Human versus AI. Administrative assistant. Manual processes. Repeated typing. Scheduling.
AI.
Automatic workflows. Instant document processing. Continuous operation. Routine office administration is becoming software. Job number 1. Content writers creating basic articles. This may be the most controversial job on the list, because you're probably watching an AI-generated voice right now. Basic SEO articles, product descriptions, company blogs, marketing copy, email campaigns, social media captions. AI now produces them in seconds. The difference in quality between average human writing and AI writing has narrowed dramatically. Businesses don't always need Pulitzer Prize-level creativity. They need content. Lots of content. Fast.
Cheap.
Consistent. That's exactly what AI delivers. However, this is where the story changes. Great storytellers, investigative journalists, documentary creators, experts with original insights still outperform AI because audiences don't pay for words. They pay for perspective. The future isn't human versus AI. It's humans using AI better than everyone else. Final comparison. Notice something interesting. Every job disappearing shares 3 characteristics. The work is repetitive. The output is predictable. The knowledge already exists. Whenever those 3 conditions are true, AI becomes incredibly difficult to compete against. But jobs requiring creativity, leadership, trust, original thinking, negotiation, human relationships remain surprisingly resilient. History shows that technology rarely destroys work completely. It changes where humans create value. The people losing jobs aren't necessarily those with less intelligence. They're often those doing work that can be reduced to patterns. And AI is becoming astonishingly good at patterns. Conclusion. The real question isn't, will AI take your job?
It's,
which part of your job is already being automated? Because that answer determines what skills you should build next. The winners of the next decade won't be the people who ignore AI. They'll be the people who learn to manage it, direct it, verify it, and combine it with uniquely human judgment. AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing the most predictable parts of every profession. And by 2028, that may completely reshape what it means to have a career. If you enjoyed this data-driven breakdown, subscribe for more videos where we separate AI hype from reality and explore the technologies reshaping the future of work.